Unlike traditional factory, it lets user participate in demand initiation, product design, manufacture, logistics, and other related process. It successfully fulfilled users' growing diversified and customized demand. Higher Smart Appliances Interconnection Factory has Higher Water Heater's newest industrial design, manufacture technology, and concept of sale. Intelligent manufacture is applied to all procedures. Fully automatic color casing production line, unattended automatic stretching. Leakage rate is reduced by 67%. Sanding and enamel procedures are improved by 30%. 930 degrees centigrade high temperature sintering. Increase tank lifetime by 20%. Helium vacuum box test. Tank leakage will be tested out 100%. Efficiency improves by 30%.